did you know that turmeric, turmeric has lots of health and skin benefits? Hey y'all, welcome back to Rock Natural, the channel that's all about beauty on a budget. In today's video, I'm actually going to be doing something a little bit different that I've been wanting to do. So I have this bottle of turmeric in my cabinet that I have not touched. I mean, I think I used it maybe once in a soup, but other than that, I have not used it at all. So I wanted to use today's video to kind of show you what I intend to do with the turmeric. But before we hop into that, I wanted to share with you some facts about. So the good thing about turmeric is that it has lots of health benefits, some being weight loss because it suppresses the fat tissue and helps reduce inflammation. It also helps with improving some symptoms with depression, and it's also been heard to help with cancer. So although this is the case, large doses can be harmful, so it's good to check with like your primary physician or just do your research on the amount. I think the best way to use it is to add it in your food. Yes, it has a color to it, a very strong yellow tint, but it is not like, it doesn't really have a strong taste compared to other spices. And so that's why I purchased it, because I was like, oh, there's so many health benefits. I mean, this was maybe like months ago when I first purchased it. So although we talked about the health benefits, there are also some skin benefits. So it's can be shown to lighten your skin, so primarily dark spots, dark under eyes. Also help to even out the skin tone of your skin, and then it can reduce the appearance of stretch marks. This one I've seen very little about, but this is one that I, when I was reading and doing my research, I found that this was one of the potential benefits. It can fight off acne when combined with apple cider vinegar. And so I know apple cider vinegar is slightly frowned upon because of the smell. It's a very strong smell. And then it can also soothe turmeric. It can also soothe dry skin. So knowing all these things about the skin, I was like, this is interesting. What three, I didn't want to do multiple, but just like what 3 formulas could I use to make some type of turmeric mask? I'm going to show you before making the mask, applying the mask, and then after of the 3 masks that I'm going to do. So the first one I'm going to do is a face mask, and I wanted to try the face mask because I mean, I have pretty good skin, but I do have some discoloration here, and then some dark circles. And so I obviously, after one use, you're not really going to see that many benefits, but I just still wanted to show you all what it looks like. I'm going to do a lip scrub, and then I also do one for underneath my arm. So okay, that's enough talking, let's get right into the video. we learned so much about turmeric in today's video, and I showed you 3 masks: a face mask, a lip scrub, and a mask to apply underneath your arms. The underarm mask was specific for underarms, but I'm sure you can use that mask also in other areas, like maybe between your legs, if you have dark spots. And I also showed you a before and after. Like I said, you're not going to see the benefits after one use, but if you are interested in seeing a video maybe 5-10 days from now, let me know and I can do an updated video after from using the mask for a certain amount of time. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you in my next upload. Toodles.